Guys, grabing pinayat ni Hype. Pag yumaman ka, papayat ka, babatak.
How much? Kano masyado nag-isip?
Guys, bibili pa ako ng kape. Yung kape ni Hype, guys. Parang worth 5,000 yung kape ni Hype.
Let's try the chocolates na galing Dubai.
Oh guys, ube baklava.
Asi? Uy! What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Welcome to another Fast Flip. We have here a panda natin. We got this for 1,450,000. Puntahan natin si Enzo, Mr. Bicep. Nagbukas na kasi yung shop niya dun sa Molito. Support lang, di ba? And then we'll try to fast flip this to him. I think I need to sell this lang for at least gusto ko maka 50k man lang tayo dito. Mabilis lang naman. Fast flip lang. We have the box, papers, everything is here. Siyempre, mamumuhunan siya. Pakitain din natin siya. Tara. Thank you po sa appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Man, pleasure meeting you, man. Have a good day. Thank you, boss. All the way from Dubai, pare. Tingnan tayo. Thank you, boss, ha. Maraming salamat.
May papansin ako.
Ako may vlog ka.
Hindi, bukas na lang daw. Nagchat ka sa akin, bukas na lang daw.
Last in, first out, pare. Nakita mo. Wala pa 5 minuto sa shop. Uuwi na ulit. We're here at Molito, guys. Puntahan natin the watch reserve. Parang gusto ko magkape sa group and boiler, pero mamaya na. Dandil muna tayo. Bicep Master, nakatain, pare. Kumusta ka, Bicep Master? Nice place, ha?
Guys, grabing pinayat ni Hype. Pag yumaman ka, papayat ka, babatak.
Hindi. Healthy living na.
Tignan mo yung bag.
Dalawa lang yan. Quiet luxury lang. Pumunta ako dito para mag-fast trip sa'yo. This is a Panda 116500. 2023. 1,570,000 lang. Tignan mo pare, oh. Hindi mo ba alam yun? Tignan mo, Mr. Bicep.
Wala nang bicep.
Wala na.
Bicep.
Sobrang busy ka, ha? Ganda na shop mo, pare, ha?
Ganda. Yan yung chandelier namin.
Chandelier.
Company ni Kuya Cheng. Wag mo pa
Mr. Bicep talaga.
Sino ba nagpauso niya?
Si Paring G, syempre. Loko si Paring G. Pinangalan na kasi Mr. Bicep. That's 2023, pare. 1,570.
1,500. Done.
That's too low.
1,498.
You're going down.
Ay, sorry. 1,510.
No. Can't do that. Pare, ako yung bumisita sa'yo ngayon, so...
Oh, sige, panggas, 1,550. Guys, bahay kami ni Hype dito sa Labang dati.
Yeah.
This is where we started.
1,540. Go.
20. Done.
No. Malit lang. I'm not even getting 10% on that. Not even 5%. 2023 yan. Complete everything.
Last one link.
Last one link.
1,520.
30 and that's it.
Kunti lang. 30. 25. 18.
30.
18. 30.
30.
28, tapos ako na bahala sa coffee and drinks natin mamaya.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Guys, please come over. The watcher service will be available soon.
AP!
Full set to.
Is it a factory diamonds?
All factory.
All factory.
Full set.
How much?
Ang taas ng post ko, but I will give it very much lower.
Yeah.
1.2. Jackpot ka dyan. Pag jackpot na ako dyan, bumalik lang.
Can you do 1 million?
No. 1,150.
1-1.
Gitna yun. 1,125.
1-1.
1,125.
Come on.
I let you in here. You let me in there. 1,125.
I let you win there.
Parang bibili pa ako ng kape. Yung kape ni Hype, guys. Parang worth 5,000 yung kape ni Hype. And from Dubai pa yun eh.
Speaking of Dubai, meron ako dyan. May humabol sa akin. Galing pa siyang Dubai. They're the ones who bake the chocolate.
Yung Dubai Fix?
Yes. I have it with me. We'll enjoy it together.
Oh, ito. Since fixed chocolate, 1,118. Parang like super sweet eh. 1,118. Jackpot ka dyan. If hindi mo mabenta in 6 weeks, I'll buy it back.
Okay, done.
Kaya mo yan.
Alright, done deal. So we got an AP ladies. Ganda, actually.
Lady Royal Oak, Factory Diamonds, chocolate, full set,
Yeah,
even original box. Original strap.
This is nice. This is nice.
Guys, oh, 2,010 bucks for Hype. Sobrang linis. 2023 box ni Hype sa akin.
Grabe, ang ganda mukhang orig na rin, ha?
Full white gold Daychas. Solid white. Full set with a vintage box. Ito yung box niya, may embroideries.
Paano?
Parang ginawa ng lola.
Ginawa ng lola.
Complete set?
Full set. Ito yung box niya.
How much? Kano masyadong nag-isip?
Layo ba? Solid gold yan.
Wala yun.
Timbangin mo.
Rolex, hindi mo tingin.
I
would do 600 for this.
Hindi kaya.
710.
Ito lang. No pressure. 710. Best. Kung hindi may mabenta na ganyan yung box mo, ewan ko na.
Nag-fast flip ako sa'yo, tapos ako naman binenta
Parang
mo.
laki nakikitahin mo dito. Kano tayo na-close?
We closed at
Uy, alam ko, nakita ko
1,528 minus 1,118. So you have to add 410. I'm gonna take this. I have to add 300. Good. Wala akong perang dala.
Bank transfer.
Okay, see. Done. Thanks so much.
Thank you, brother.
3 watches. We sold 1. We got 2. Wait lang. Yung kape ko.
Ayaw nga, kapitan.
Doon na lang tayo?
Sige.
Let's drink some coffee, guys. Tara. Favorite spot ko dito ng coffee. Saan, pare?
Group and broiler.
Alam niya yan. Naging favorite na rin niya eh. are you, boss? Uy, nga pala ng buhok mo. Kamusta? Boss, ano ako, dirty spice latte and then 1 arugula salad. Meron ba kayong arugula salad?
Wala na, sir.
Wala na yun. Bakit yun tinanggal?
Bibili ako ng Mimoa. Ganyan na ganyan. Tapos bibigay ko kay Hybe. Yan sa akin.
Hindi ako papayag. Kahit may dent to. May history na yan. Let's try yung chocolates na galing Dubai. Hinabol lang ako, fan. Hinabol lang ako kanina. Drink with coffee, pare. Sarap.
Siya, chocolate connoisseur. Bibili ako sa kanya.
Guys, ube baklava.
Asin? Uy! Sarap. Pare, kambing.
Thank you, brother. Both times.
Dito pa talaga kayo nag-meet, no? Last time.
First deal ever. Sabi ni Hybe. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. Balik kayo.